Check this out. This is brake caliper piston seals. This is a very critical part on your braking system. Here's your part number and where it was manufactured. As you can see on this one, one is bigger than the other. And then the other one, they're both the same. The vehicle that was working on has, this one's came out of it. You can see. The one that's bigger fits the one that came out of it. The smaller one is the wrong one. Now on this package, they're both wrong. On this package, one is the right side, one is the wrong side. This is from a top part supplier. I am not going to mention them because I did purchase another one from a top part supplier. They both were the wrong small size. To be safe, always when possible, get the old ones off. Once you get the old ones off, compare them to the new ones.